So Ralph, tell me about FastFit. What is FastFit?
FastFit is basically the place where you can, in a smart way, service your car, right? FastFit is an Al-Futtaim group company. We are in 24 locations in the countries. By that, we are the biggest chain.
Are you around the country in every
We are
emirate?
in every emirate. Basically, we have big locations, of course, in Ramoul and Musaffar. But we are on many, you find us on ADNOC fuel stations, right? So we have a long-lasting relationship with ADNOC and with Emarat in Dubai. And that's where we started as a tire and battery specialist. But in the meantime, we opened up for all brands to do service, brakes, oil changes. And basically the customers are quite happy because it's convenient. We are very close, right? Al-Futtaim FastFit has a very long-lasting relationship with Goodrich, and it's a fantastic and strong off-road brand. Of course, starting from tires and batteries, we do also services like oil change, quick fits. So, for example, you would be surprised after, of course, the big Japanese brands, because they have, of course, a big volume in this country. What we see a lot on our lifts is 3, 4, 5-year-old German cars, like big BMWs, big Mercedes, Porsche Cayenne. The reputation we have through our Al-Futtaim quality brand is to get quality for a good price. Our typical customer would sit in a car which maybe just is past the warranty period, right, and is looking for a value quality offer. And basically FastFit is maybe one of the smartest offers you can find in the country because it's around the corner, right? And on top of that, you get a broad variety of services. For example, one of our best-selling service products is an air condition cleaner. Right?
Air conditioning cleaner.
Air condition cleaning is unbelievable for 199 dirham. We have a basically process where your entire interior and your air condition is gassed, and by that absolutely clean and bacteria free, right? Quite interesting.
So long-term maintenance of your car, once you've left the safety of the warranty, start looking at FastFit because they can cover all your needs.
Basically, that's what we are here for.